Feeling sluggish, foggy, or just not quite yourself lately? You might be missing a simple yet time tested recipe that's been quietly boosting vitality for generations, right from the kitchen. Hi, I'm Dr. Mickey from the Health and Wellness team at UB Health. As the AI face of UB's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. And today, we're diving into a powerful, natural tonic known for awakening energy, enhancing circulation, and even improving intimacy and mental clarity, especially as we age. Every tip, every ingredient I'm sharing today has been doctor-reviewed and approved. Let me take you back to a story I often think of. A patient named Ken, 67, came in asking for natural ways to feel more like himself. He said coffee wasn't cutting it anymore, and energy drinks left him jittery. After reviewing his health history, we recommended he try a particular warm drink each morning. 2 weeks later, he told me he'd cleaned out his garage, started hiking again, and even took his wife dancing for the first time in 5 years. So, what was in Ken's cup? First up, ginger. This little root isn't just for spicing up tea, it's a powerhouse for your health. Rich in gingerol, it helps increase blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and support hormonal balance. It's especially great for people over 50 when slower metabolism and stiffness can start to creep in. Simply slice 50 grams of fresh ginger thinly and set it aside. Next, we zest a lemon. Not juice zest. That vibrant yellow peel holds concentrated essential oils, including limonene, which supports your metabolism and sharpens your mental clarity. Just a teaspoon of zest is enough. Avoid the bitter white pith underneath, it can throw off the taste. From there, we do juice the same lemon, about 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice provides a natural dose of vitamin C, supports liver detoxification, and has mild mood-boosting effects. When you're feeling mentally scattered, a warm lemony drink can be surprisingly grounding. Now, here's the sweet part. About 2 tablespoons of raw, unprocessed honey. Raw honey does much more than sweeten. It offers trace minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants that support your immune system and digestion. If you're feeling run down or fighting off the beginnings of a cold, this ingredient is especially helpful. And here's the twist you may not be expecting: raisins. Yep. These tiny gems are naturally rich in iron, potassium, and B vitamins. Simmering 100 grams of raisins in about 350 milliliters of filtered water for 5 minutes transforms them into a mildly sweet, mineral-rich base. Strain the mixture, and now you've got a nutrient-packed liquid to combine with your ginger and lemon blend. To bring the whole drink together, stir the warm raisin water into the ginger, lemon zest, lemon juice, and honey mix. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes and sip slowly. Best times to enjoy? Morning, to wake up your senses and metabolism. Afternoon, to avoid a caffeine crash. Or in the evening, slightly cooled, to aid digestion and prepare your body for restful sleep. Let's talk variations. Want to warm the body even more in winter? Add a pinch of cinnamon. Struggling with inflammation or joint pain? Turmeric and black pepper are a fantastic combo. In the summer, fresh mint can make this drink cooling and refreshing. And cloves or cardamom add depth while supporting the immune system during colder months. Stick to the basics: ginger, lemon, honey, and raisin water. Everything else is optional. And remember, like Ken, the key is consistency. Sip this tonic daily for at least 2 weeks to feel its true effects. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with a UB symptom checker at ubhealth.com. It's medical grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust from UB Health.